Hey, what's up, guys? Here we have today with us a Dom IX 5kg. I know the IX in the name stands for it's a dimple lock. The 5, I assume it's 5 pins. The kg, I'm not really sure, but here's the key. You can see there's five pin stacks. 2 and 3 are high lifts, which pose particularly quite a problem because I feel like it makes other things a drop. And then this lock has a potential to have rattlesnake pins. I don't know if mine does, probably not, but we will check when we get it. After the 5 pin stacks are picked and you're in the fall set, you can see there is in the center lane of the lock, a little bit to the right of the pin stack. If you have the Bible up, between pins 4 and 5 is the interactive pin. That one is picked after you pick the 5 pin stacks, and I believe it is a spool because it does provide counter rotation before you set it. But yeah, let's start working on this. So be careful not to touch that first pin. Damn, I don't remember if I was tension from this side or this side. That was from this side. Yeah. Here's my flag. Oh, here it is. Okay, so counterclockwise tension, and I'm going to be picking clockwise. So pin 1 is binding. It feels set. Pin 2 is binding. Pin 2 is one of the max lifts. So I'm gonna go to the moon with that. Hopefully it's set. Really hard to feel with actually, it's not set at all. Right there, it's probably set. All right, 3, binding a bit. All right, little click out of 3. 4 is loose. Yeah, 1 and 2 are good. 3 is loose. 4 is loose. 5 is binding, I believe. Okay, little false set there after picking 5. Okay, so let's see. 3 and 4 are the ones that are not picked yet, so I believe those are the 2 spools. Looks like 3 is binding. Actually, no. Maybe 4 might be binding better. Okay, a few drop pins. 1's good. 2 is good. Bunch of drops again. 1 is good. 2 is set. 3 feels set. I believe 5 dropped. 4 and 5 dropped. 4 is binding, and 5 also seems like it's binding. Let's do 4 first. All right. Hopefully don't have anything overset. 1 is good. 2 is good. Mm, 3 I think is good. There we go. 5 was binding. I dropped 4. Yeah, 4 again. 4 is binding. Okay, 4 is set. There we go. We're in the full set. Now, interactive pin should be binding. It's located behind a little piece of metal that makes you think it's the interactive pin, but in reality, there's 2 of them. The first one does not move. The second one behind it does. There we go. Let's get this Bible cover, this C-clip off. I'll just Okay, so I know it has passive pins on this side. So it has passive pins here, has the active pins up there. Active pins up there and the interactive pin as well. And then down here, you might have the passive pins down there. So I think 3 directions. Don't really care about these passive pins. I think I'm just gonna shim the top. All right, there's a passive pin right there. All right, let's see if we didn't drop anything. So you have 2 passive pins in 1 and 4. All right, 1 and 4. This is gonna be in 4. Gonna be in 1. Oh, the passive pins are on the top, so nothing in the bottom. Oh, actually, let's see. Oh, we do have passive pins on the bottom. A lot of passive pins, wow. So this is 2. And this is 1. So I can put these at the bottom, actually. So I know it's the bottom. And this is gonna be left. And then top. Actually, I don't know if these are passive pins. Maybe just ball bearings. Yeah, let me just take out the normal pins. So 5th key pin. Looks like the ball bearings do come out. No, actually it is a passive pin. Wow. Also, where the hell did this come from? Or was it just mastering? I mean, this is the only hole that's open, so. And 4. 3, 2, 1. All right. And this is the second. No, first passive pin from that side. No milling. Passive pins to the left, passive pins to the bottom, nothing to the right, and then passive pins at the top. 5 pin stacks, as you can see, drill protection right there, and then 2 passive pins at the top. All right, the interactive element. I see. Okay, so one of these is the interactive element, and then the other one is the one that does not move. So the first one was this one. So this one does not move. So it's facing like this in the keyway. You're pushing up on it, but it doesn't move. And then this one is the one that goes above the interactive pin. So this is the one that gets pushed up by the ball bearing of the interactive. So this is 2, and this is 1. All right, then we have our keep our driver pins. It's going to be our first one. No, I need these. All right, so it's going to be first one is standard spring. Oh, nice robust spring. Probably the biggest spring I've ever seen on a lock, I think. Standard as well. Spring. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We got some rattlesnake pins. Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah, nice. More rattlesnake pins. Spring. Oh, yeah, and some mastering, actually. And then another standard pin. So actually there wasn't any spools at all. Well, what's this? Oh, this is for the interactive pin. You see. Oh yeah, interactive pin. And then it's tiny spring that I definitely do not want to lose. Oh yeah, I see. It's right there between the 4th and 5th. True. All right, so we got our 5 springs, 5 driver pins, 5 key pins, 6 passive pins, and then the interactive element. All right, let's take a closer look. Yeah, 1 second. There we have the passive pins. 3 standard pins, 2 rattlesnakes. And then standard key pin, standard key pin, standard key pin. 5th one is standard as well with some mastering. And then this is like some kind of like a torpedo type thing. And then the interactive element, which is kind of like a torpedo as well, with this little spring. Yeah, Dom IX 5kg.